So in this video we will be discussing about the installation and unboxing of the oxygen concentrator. This oxygen concentrator is having a capacity of maximum 5 liters per minute. So first we'll unbox the machine, then we'll show the installation, and then we'll show the working of the oxygen concentrator. So this box contains a user manual, the oxygen nasal cannula, 4 wheels of the oxygen concentrator. This is the air filter, the power cord, and the filters which are used for taking the atmospheric air. So this is the cover and this is the air filters. Now this has to be lifted like this. Now 2 persons are required who will hold the machine from both the side and pull it outwards. The first step of installation is putting the wheels onto the oxygen concentrator. So you can use this oxygen concentrator and you can transport it from one place to another within the hospital or within the room with the help of these wheels. The method of installing this wheel onto the oxygen concentrator is like, just push the wheels into the holes which are there. It is a very simple and easy way of installing the wheels. You just have to push it inside the holes. So now the wheels are installed onto the oxygen concentrator. On the right side of the oxygen concentrator we have given us filters over there which can be replaced from time to time, and one set of extra filters are supplied with the machine. And this is the air filter which has to be installed onto the side of the oxygen concentrator. So this is the method of installing. So now it has been locked. So this is the air filter which we are using, that is taking the atmospheric air. Now the last step of installation is connecting the mains power cord with the oxygen concentrator. So at the back of the machine we have given a socket for connecting the mains power cord over here. Now the power cord has been connected. So from the front there is an on-off switch. This is the on-off switch. From here you can turn on the machine, and this is the humidifier bottle where you have to put the distilled water for giving humidification to the patient. This is the port where you can connect the oxygen nasal cannula or oxygen therapy mask, and from here you can set the flow. This oxygen concentrator has a maximum capacity of 5 liters per minute. So you can deliver the flow up to 5 liters per minute to the patient, and from here you can connect the oxygen nasal cannula or oxygen therapy mask. So for turning on the machine back, turning off the machine back, this is the on-off button. From here you can turn off the machine.